Today you are going to learn how to make a reusable bingo board that you can use with your family to read your high-frequency words. You can find the high-frequency words by clicking on the links for today. It will take you to this website, and this is connecting with learning number 4, reading. You will learn how to make a personalized bingo board. So you're watching this video first, and you will create a bingo board with not 24, but 12 words from this list. There are lots of words to choose from. These are the first 100 words. Ignore the grade levels up here. If you are still working on these words and you're in 3rd or 4th grade, that's okay. There are 300 words that you can choose from. I would recommend that you choose words that are not easy for you, that are still learning, so that this practice can actually help you become a more successful reader, okay? So to make the bingo board, you will need a piece of paper, a pen or pencil or marker, and your plastic sleeve. You can follow along with these directions. Draw 4 vertical lines and 5 horizontal lines. You'll write free space in the middle. So she's spacing out the vertical lines with the B-I-N-G-O letters. Only at the top. Free space in the middle. So you will write one word in each of these boxes. You'll put it inside the plastic sleeve, and you can play bingo with a family member. They might give you a clue about the word, or they might read it, and your job is to find it on your bingo board.